To check your transaction history on Lyft, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the app or website to find your ride details and payment history. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your transaction history. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top left or right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings and options. Step 3. Go to Ride History. Look for the Ride History or your trips option in the menu. This section contains a list of all your past rides and transactions. Step 4. Select a specific ride. Browse through your ride history and select the specific ride you want to check. Tapping on it will provide you with detailed information about that trip. Step 5. Review transaction details. Once you have selected a ride, you can view the transaction details, including the fare, payment method, and any applicable fees. You can also find options to download or share the receipt if needed. By following these steps, you can easily access and review your transaction history on Lyft. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Lyft support.